this is Kayla, another of Adele's friends.
Are you recording?
And she said, oh no, oh no, oh no, when I brought the camera out. Say hello to my mom and my sisters and my nephews and my brother-in-law.
Hi.
And show your face. This is my extra kid that stayed with us one whole summer a long time ago, but now she has a boyfriend, so he's better than us, obviously. She doesn't have time for us at all, because she spends all the time with him.
No.
Yes.
No.
Is that true or not?
No, it's not true.
See?
It's not.
See?
He hugs me.
He hugs you?
Yes.
He hugs you?
He hugs.
He hugs you?
Yes.
He or hog?
Yeah, he's a hog. Hog. A hog. He is very selfish. He doesn't like to share.
Close off and married to share. Good morning. Heidi. Oh. You actually got all this money? Wow.
Are you really recording?
Yes, I am.
Oh my God.
Say hey, Adele's grandma and other people, family.
Yeah, she's really going to get
All right.